If you haven't packed it, don't expect nature to provide it. Initially, administer first aid using your survival kit and supplies. Sip water. If the environment is cold and windy, set up a wind block and seek shelter. If it is hot and arid, find shade. Push away the top 12 inches of sand for a shelter location about 40 degrees cooler. Prepare flares for use. Start a fire at night when the temperatures fall. Remember that rescue can take days, not hours. The goal of survival is to simply stay alive long enough to be rescued.